Content creation is a journey in which many people will fail at, and if you're not also careful, you would also fail. And the truth is, it is not even difficult, at least in the context of this video today. The reason why you might fail is simply because you missed the whole point from the beginning. The origin of your problem and many other content creators is the concept of niche. I know when you're starting out to create content, you find your niche, do your niche, get a niche. I mean, you grow better when you have a niche. Now, I'm not even talking about the people that don't even have a niche. No, that's a topic for another day. Now, I'm talking about those that claim to have a niche. Now, the real question is, now that you've found a niche, is that niche really for you? Because this content creation thing is a long journey. It's a long ride. Unless if you're planning to do it for the short term, then this video is not for you. But if you want to do content creation for a long time, like you want to probably be a content creator, make money from it, and probably live your dreams, you're going to have to be able to create consistently for the rest of your life without stressing out or getting frustrated. So do you really think finding a niche is the right way to start your content creation journey? Now, don't get me wrong, because of course the concept of niche exists, right? But my advice to you as a content creator that wants to create content for a long time is to find your passion and then making your passion your niche. Now, let's say you find your niche, right? You are guaranteed to grow, because definitely having a niche equals growth, right? Now, do you realize you're going to have to create around your niche for a very long time? I mean, for as long as you create on that platform. Now, imagine having to create around something you don't even have passion for just because it's your niche. That is not even sustainable, and I don't think you're going to be able to do that in the long run. I mean, for the long term, unless if creating content is just a short term hobby or something you don't think you'd want to do for a long time. Now, the hard truth is, content creation will frustrate you. You might not even get any money from it starting out. You will be discouraged. You will get tired. A lot of things will try to bring you down. Even motivation, I mean, motivational speakers at some point will not be enough to keep you going. But the thing that will keep you going, even in these hard times, is the passion for the thing you're creating about. Now, take me for example, I have created content consistently for 3 years now, and I would say I didn't have a quick start. It was slow, it was difficult. I didn't have gadgets, I wasn't recognized, I didn't know anyone. I started out on my own, right? I post on every platform, and even nowadays I post up to 3-4 videos in a day. And what do you think has kept me going even without being monetized while I was starting out? The passion for what I was creating about. I've always loved fashion, I have always loved talking, I have always loved creating content. Creating content around fashion was just something that made me happy. And I'm not even going to lie, it all started out as an hobby, and I just thought to myself, why not just create about it? I mean, and even on days where there are problems around creating content, I just end up doing it easily. I don't see it as a difficult task at all. And now I am monetized, I have a decent number of following, and I also get high paying clients from my platform. All this is possible because I'm creating around my passion. I mean, I could talk about football, I could talk about gaming, I could talk about crypto, I could talk about tech, I talk about a lot of things, and those are all niche content, right? And for me as a person, all those other content type would not be sustainable. Who knows, I might have even quit and be nagging somewhere about content creation being difficult. So if you want to be successful at content creation, find your passion and make it your niche. This way you'd be able to create consistently even on days when you don't feel like creating. And one of the best ways to live a happy life is actually earning from your passion. It feels so good getting paid from doing what you love to do, what you would be happy doing even if you weren't earning from it. If you have any question regarding starting out as a content creator, finding your passion and making it your niche, just do well to ask in the comment section. I'll be there to share more insight. Bye for now.